We are going to look at Audacity to record an audio clip that can be imported into Schoology for an assessment. Audacity is a powerful program, so we're going to start with a few tools that will help us record our assessment, and then we can branch out into other tools later. We're going to start with the pause, the play, the record, rewind and forward, and the record button. In this section, we're going to look at using the select tool. You can also zoom in if needed to see your audio a little bit close up. This section right here is where you can monitor your microphone to see that your recording levels are appropriate. You can adjust those recording levels over here. You may have to make a couple of test runs to see where your microphone works best for you. Then when you get that all adjusted, we're going to make our recording. Hit the record button. Sarah created angle T measuring 64 degrees. What is the measure of the supplementary angle U? Then hit the stop button. You will notice a little bit of space at the beginning and at the end of your recording that may have some feedback. Let's play it back and see what you get. Sarah created angle T measuring 64. You'll notice in this playback that there is a little bit of feedback, and we can reduce that with the noise reduction. First, we're going to remove a section at the end. We can highlight any section by using this highlighting tool, and then simply hit the delete key on your keyboard and it will remove those portions of the audio recording that you don't need. To get rid of the feedback, the extra noise, we're going to use the noise reduction tool. Up here in Effects, we're going to select the section that we need, come up to Effects, we're going to go down to Noise Reduction, get our selection here, then we're going to select the whole recording, go back up to Effects and your noise reduction and say OK, and it's going to minimize the noise reduction. When we play that back from the beginning, it sounds much better. Now we are ready to save our angle. If we want to erase the beginning part, we can reduce that and take it out now that we don't need that section. And now we're going to save. So File, you can save it as a project, but we want to export it as an audio file. So we're going down to Export, Export as an MP3 file. You may choose where you would like to save your recording. So we're going to record here in the test recordings. Then give it a good file name, like question 2, and then go ahead and save that. It does bring up some metadata tagging, which you can fill in the blanks, but it's not necessary. We're just going to save for today. Now you have an exported audio file that can be uploaded into Schoology.